Today's important topic is significant figures. Significant figures. Let us see how to count a significant figures. If you find a result of any experiment or any value or calculation, it should have precision. It should have a precision or limit. Precision or limit means the answer should contain how many digits in a decimal way. The answer should have reliable and uncertain digits. Reliable and uncertain digits. So the total we will count reliable digit and uncertain digit. Let us say example answer may be reported as 2.5456, right? So 2, 4, 5 are reliable and 6 might be uncertain, right? 6 might be uncertain. So digits that are reliable plus uncertain are known as significant figures. So how to write? Reliable and uncertain digits are called as significant figures, right? Now what are the rules and how to count that, right? Suppose a choice of changing units, it's choice of changing units, a choice changing the units of answer does not affect or does not change the number of significant figures in a number, right? Let us say simple example, 2.308 is centimeter is the simple reported answer. How many digits? We shall see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. I can write 4 significant figures. Right? Now if I write it, how to write 0.02308 meters. Both values are same, but digits have changed. Count it 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, they are not considered. We'll see the conditions also. How many? 4 significant figures. Right? So these are the simple conditions. Now let us see the significant figures rules for decimal and non-decimal numbers separately, and we also see the rules of arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, as well as multiplication, division. The important one, most probably asked as in examinations, counting of significant figures. We shall divide this concept into non-decimal number and decimal number. So almost all rules are same but slightly different in this. Now let us see first a non-decimal number. Let us see non-decimal number, how to count. For non-decimal number, right, first one, in a number all the non-zeros are right, all non-zero digits are significant or are considered or counted. What is that? 5729. These are all non-zero digits and non-decimal number. How many significant figures are there? Significant figures are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Another example, let us say 7645. How many significant figures are again? 4. They are non-zero digits. Second one, all the zeros, if any, all the zeros between non-zero digits are significant. What is the meaning of it? All the zeros which are there are significant. Let us say simple example. 8008. This 0 and 0 are existed between non-zeros. So how many significant figures are there? We will count all of them. 4 zeros are also counted. Next, 20708901. How many significant figures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Significant figures are 8. So even zeros are existed between non-zeros in a non-decimal number. This we are discussing about non-decimal number. They are counted, they are considered, they are significant. Right? Now, the trailing zeros. Let us see what is the meaning of trailing zeros. The trailing zeros we will also call as terminal zeros, end zeros. terminal zeros in a non-decimal number are not significant. They are not counted. They are not significant. Right? Example 67900. Counting star 1, 2, 3. That's all. This is not counted and this is not counted. How many significant figures are there? Here 3. It is 3. Right? Suppose let us say other one 2070900. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Significant figures are there 5. This 0 is not counted. This 0 is not counted. They are called as end zeros, terminal zeros, trailing zeros in a non-decimal number is a pure number without point. So this one are not counted. So these zeros are existed between non-zero number. They are considered. They are counted. So I have counted this one and this one. Total is indicating as 5. Right? So this is about non-decimal number. Right? Zeros are not counted in the next. Decimal number with point like. Right now leading zeros, how to write leading zeros and trailing zeros first, but the same condition, all the non-zeros all the non-zeros are counted or significant. First one. Example 5.321. All non-zeros. Significant figures are 4. Significant figures are 4. Another example 28.327. Significant figures are 5. Right? And next all the zeros between non-zeros are significant. What is the meaning of it? Another example 5.032. Significant figures are 4 here. 70.021. These zeros are there. Now significant figures are 5. So zeros are existed between non-zeros in the decimal number, they are considered, right? Now coming to zeros between non-zeros, zeros between non-zeros, let us say leading zeros. What is meant by leading zero? The first zeros, leading zeros, right? So decimal number means which is of course less than 1, maybe greater than 1. Now for number less than 1, because zeros means, so the leading zeros means the first zeros in front of non-zero digit, right, are not considered or not significant. What's example? Example, suppose 0.002308. How many zeros are there? Leading zeros 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3. So we shall not count these zeros because they are leading zeros, but these are counted. Significant figures are 4. Significant figures are 4. Next, 0.020901. This 0 and 0 counted, but these leading zeros, the first zeros between non-zero digit are not counted. Total will be again here 5. The total significant figure is here 5, right? Now leading zeros over, zeros between non-zero digits over. Now coming to trailing zeros. In a decimal number, maybe greater than 1, maybe less than 1. In a decimal number, right, but the trailing zeros are terminal zeros. The trailing zeros, we will also write it as terminal end zeros. Terminal zeros are counted or significant or significant, right? Example, 4.900. 4.900. Significant figures are 1, 2, 3 counted, 4 counted. Significant means considered. Another example, 0.02300, right? 0.02300. This is not counted, this is not counted. They are called as leading zeros. This is counted, this is counted, this is counted, and this is also counted. Now total significant figures are 4. Okay, so this is about simple trailing and leading zeros counting, right? How to observe the change between decimal and non-decimal. Only one difference is there. Decimal to non-decimal to non-decimal to decimal, non-decimal to decimal, only one difference is there. In decimal, trailing zeros are significant, right? Here trailing zeros are not significant. This is already you can find the difference of that, right? Simple conversion, I'll say 4.700 centimeter, 4.700 centimeter, right? 470.0, let us say here this is meter, then if you convert it, this is centimeter, or 4700 millimeter, millimeter, 0.00470 kilometer. If you observe all these, particularly if you observe it, the value here, the value and value, the units of choice of units are changed, but the value is not changed. This is equivalent to this one, this is equivalent to this one, and this is equivalent to this one. Observe this. What are the significant figures in the first one? The significant figures are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here again, what is this? 4700. And what is this? Counted or not counted? Not counted. Not counted. Counted, counted, right? Now counted and counted. How many? This is 4, right? So now you understand how many, this is left to you, how many significant figures for this. This is your work. Okay, so how to change the one system of unit to another system of unit, that you can find out. Clear? Now next, if we want to change particularly one system of unit to another system of unit, what we do? So we will consider a notation called as scientific notation, right? We'll consider scientific notation to remove the ambiguity, confusion, determining the significant figures measurement. The scientific notation is considered, this is called as power of 10 notation. Indirectly we will write it as power of 10, right? The every number in this, it is expressed as in the form of a into 10 power b, a into 10 power b, right? So what is that? B may be any positive number or negative number. It can be either positive or negative. A lies between 1 and 10. A lies between 1 and 10. Okay. What is this? The 10 power b here, 10 power b is called as order of the magnitude. Order of the magnitude. Next, we shall see that simple logic. Example 3.50 into 10 power 2. How many significant figures? The significant figures are here 3. Significant figures are 3. And how many significant figures? You cannot count the significant figures in the power. So this is significant figures cannot be considered significant figures. Only the significant figures in the like value of a, that can be counted, right? Suppose 4.700 meters is there one value. Shall I write it is same value without changing its signal? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. Now I'll write it as 4.700 into 10 power 2 centimeter. Again the significant figures are not changed, right? Simply again 4.700 into 10 power 3 millimeter. 10 power 3 millimeter. How many are there? Here again 4 significant figures are there, right? So here, by using simple scientific notation, we will see that the value of a should not be affected with as change of scientific note, change of significant figures. Okay. So zeros or non-zeros that we had already seen, right? And now we shall see rules for arithmetic operations. Now a simple work is there that you can do. Please work out. Please work out. Find the number of significant figures for the following. First one, 3.0802. Second one, 0.0097020. Third one, 3721. Fourth one, 20800. Fifth one, 9.8700. Sixth one, 3.720 into 10 power 3. 0.00712 into 10 power 4. Next, 5.327 into 10 power 3. Sorry, 8. 9. 1.00120 into 10 power 4. 0.071007 into 10 power 7. So find out all of them and how many significant figures are there and how to calculate. See, this is your work and you have to practice it, because in examination point of view, as a 1 mark question or any like they can ask, and you can easily score by using this simple concepts, by understanding the concepts, right? So this is easy one.